Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting into the TV's app management quickly. Make sure you're on the My TV account that installed YouTube. Once done, plug a USB keyboard or use the remote for faster selection. Navigate to Settings, then Apps or Installed Applications so you can see YouTube listed. This first move locates the app and reveals options like Disable, Force Stop, and Uninstall updates. You're doing this to prevent the app from auto-updating or appearing in the launcher, while preserving system stability. Once you've opened YouTube's app page, press Force Stop to halt any running processes right away. Next, choose Disable or Turn Off. This removes it from the launcher and prevents execution. If Disable is grayed out because it's a system app, uninstall updates to revert to the factory version and then disable. Additionally, go to Permissions and Network Settings and revoke internet and background access so the app cannot auto-restart or fetch content. These steps reduce visibility and network activity effectively. To finish, enable parental controls or guest mode to hide any remaining app icons from the home screen, and then reboot the TV to confirm the changes persist. After the restart, revisit Settings right arrow apps to ensure YouTube remains disabled or reverted. If the app reappears, try blocking its domain on your router with DNS filtering or perform a targeted factory reset of settings only. If problems continue, note the model number and contact My Support. This helps resolve firmware-enforced reinstallation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.